Sir,
Clap for our correspondent, sir. I would like to invite our correspondent, sir. Please take a seat, sir. Thank you. So we have some rules for this quiz programs. So every team, they have to give within 5 seconds that answer. Only you have 5 seconds. Within 5 seconds you have to give, otherwise the question will pass to another team. Have you understood? So this is the condition. And 4 teams participated first. And winning team compete with another team. Another whichever team we will win in next 4 groups. Okay, that winning team compete with the winning team, another group. Okay, right. So this is the condition. First 4 teams will be participated in this program. After that, remaining 4 groups. Okay, right. Shall we start the program? Are you ready, all of you? Right. Program. So whichever team will give answer, we will consider 1 mark for that team. Okay, points wise. Right. Now our quiz program is going to start with according to the subjects. First, Telugu subject will ask questions to you. Right? Telugu teacher Ravi sir will ask you questions. Okay? Right.
Sir, first A group. నన్నయ్య ఏ శతాబ్దం చెందిన కవి? నన్నయ్య ఏ శతాబ్దం చెందిన కవి? యాయాతి చరిత్ర అనేది ఎవరు రచించారు? యాయాతి చరిత్ర అనేది ఎవరు రచించారు? కవి పేరేంటి? యాయాతి చరిత్ర అనేది ఏ కవి రచించారు? యాయాతి చరిత్ర అనేది ఏ కవి రచించాడు? యాయాతి చరిత్ర అనేది ఏ కవి రచించాడు?
ఏ టీం సార్ వాళ్ళు చెప్పారట.